Morning, everybody. Hope you can hear my voice and also clearly. Today is 15th July. So I want us to start analysis. That on our screen, this is S&P 500. So far, the price has been upwards. You can see that overall, if you look at the daily chart, we are in an active trend. If you scale down to 4 hours, we are still in an uptrend, but then you can see that the price is pulling back somehow to the last. So this is 30 minutes, 1 hour, not 4 hours. We do have this. That looks like some shape formation, and then you also have another. So if the price can pull back as it is doing now and head towards 23.6% fib level, which is here, or 32% fib level, or 50.0% fib level, then these are going to be the correct places to look for a trade from. So basically, we want to see a retracement up to this point, or up to this point. The latest the price should go up to is 76.4% fib level. These are the places where we want to buy SP 500 from. The other symbol I want us to look at. So this is what we do yesterday on this chart. We have a very good resistance trend line, the one I'm currently. You have a supportive trend line on our side. So if the price is pulling back up, the place the price should go up to is actually along the upper trend line. So we want to see price continue up at least up to this trend line to give us the correct place to look for a sell from. So we are waiting to see what will happen. If the price can come back nicely up to this point, then this will be a good place to look for a sell from. The other symbol I want us to look at is GBP/USD. So the same thing we had on GBP/USD is almost the same thing which we have on EUR/USD. We do have a very good trend line from the top here, and also we have another one at the bottom. So we did expect price to get up to this point here before it continued to the lower side. So as it is now, it looks like the price is continuing to the lower side without having to get back to up. So this is okay. So if the price comes back up to this level here, then this should give us the ideal place to look for a sell from. I'm not saying that the price must rebound from this one. No, I'm just saying that if the price gets to this point and then bounces off from it nicely, then this should be a good place to sell from, at least up to the trend line which you have at the very bottom. The other symbol which I want us to look at is USD/JPY. So this chart, we are looking at the possibility that the price may continue to the upper side ultimately, because we do have a resistance trend line here. It was broken to the upper side. Price tried coming back down, but then it pulled back up, even closed above it. So as it is now, this is a good place to look for a buy from. If the price gets to this trend line, then this should be the best place to be looking for a buy from, with our take profit at around these levels here, this one and the other one. The other symbol which I'd like us to look at is gold. So gold so far, this is bullish. Gold is what? Gold is on the upper side. So we do have a support here. We do have a support here. We do have a support. There is this break to the lower side. So we did have some level here. The price successfully closed beyond it. So as it is now, we are looking at the possibility that the price may continue to the upper side. The price should continue upwards, at least up to this point here, where if it does break above, then the next level is 1912.60. The other symbol which I want us to look at is Brent oil. So Brent oil so far, this is bearish. We are seeing some continuation to the lower side. You can remember yesterday we were recommending a buy here. We said that we were doing the forecast while the price was somewhere here. So we mentioned that this was a good place to buy it from. If you bought it here, you are stopped out by this red candle. So as it is now, we are now in a sell zone, at least up to this point here. So this is the third time. This is like the second time we are entering a trade on this chart, and the price ends up going against us. We did have a buy here, it was lost. We had we had a sell here, it was lost. We had a buy here, it was lost too. So as it is now, this is bearish. We are looking for a sell at least up to this point, 77.446. So thank you very much. This should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at this time. So thank you. See you.